Yeah, clowns. This is technically the third bedroom, but you can see that it's very small, so he uses that as an office. Doesn't have a closet. There is a window, and that's about it. So I wouldn't technically call this a bedroom, but in Spain, it's considered one, and it's actually a pretty big bedroom for what they consider a bedroom there. So not bad at all. The living room is quite spacious, and it has dark oak furniture for the dining room, and this space came furnished. He's not very fond of the furnishings, but I think they look absolutely wonderful. It kind of goes with the period and the aesthetics of the building. So he's got the shelf there. Then there's a balcony off the living room, and it's a pretty long one too. You could set out a little table. It's bigger than a Juliet balcony. You could set out a little table and two chairs or something out there, and it runs the length of the living room in addition to the guest bedroom, which is just behind the living room, which I'll show you in a second. And there's the view. It's a pedestrian only street, so it's pretty quiet for the most part. And that's something that's really saying something when you're talking about being in the center, in the dead center of town. Now, the TV, everything was already there. And, it makes for a comfy living when you come into the living room and you come into the house, to the flat, as a matter of fact. Now I'm going to the master bedroom, which is en suite. And I actually like the color of the tiles. They're really light, and so the sun, it makes it sunnier. And you can see the balcony in the background that extended the length from the living room. And so you could put a king-size bed in here with no problem either. And here you have the bathroom. I'm not going to show the shower or the bath. But you see, it's a pretty good size. It's got the bidet, it's got the toilet, it's got the sink. Hello. Very nice, and it's been kept very well too. I'm guessing the building is probably at least, I don't know, 70 years old or something like that. Built-in closets are really something that you just love to find in a flat here. And you can see the balcony, like I was saying. You might also have noticed that it has central heating, which a lot of places don't have. For instance, we don't have central heating, but I haven't really needed it as much. So I'm going from there now. I am going into the hallway. And once again, I really like the floors. Ours are really dark, and I love them, but I wish they were lighter. This is the second bathroom. It's got a stall shower, pretty sizable one too. And it's got the toilet and the sink. There's no bidet, but it's, you don't always need a bidet, do you? And here I am once again saying hello. And we go into the third bedroom. As you can see, it's got a single-size bed in there, but it can accommodate a full or a queen-size bed with no problem. But it's perfectly functional for a guest bedroom. It's got the heater. It's got nice big windows that let the sun in. And it's got a built-in wardrobe too. And a nice big one too. Here's the kitchen. It's got everything, including a washer and a dryer, which is something that you really don't find in a lot of apartments, or they have combo ones. But the funny part, we asked him if he uses his dryer a lot, and he said the first week or so that he got there, he was using the dryer, but now he's gotten used to the standino, which is the drying rack. And on here we have a full size refrigerator. Something else that's, you know, nice to have too. The heater also in the kitchen. I mean, it's so weird seeing all this because Valencia really doesn't get that cold that you need like a heater in every room. But I suppose it's nice to have enough space, microwave, and then off the kitchen is a little balcony that fits the dryer, the clothes dryer. So which is what you use, plus a few lines for putting out your clothing. And I don't know if you noticed the dishwasher, something else that's nice to see. And living in the city, you get to know your neighbors. The buildings come around like in a U, and so the other buildings, the backside of all the other buildings, kind of like come together in a square. So this is city living for you. Pretty good, isn't it? Anyway, this is his apartment. I hope you've enjoyed the tour. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like what you see. That way you can keep apprised of everything that's going on. Thank you.